Have you ever lost power when you needed it most? Whether you're camping off-grid, traveling in an RV, working outdoors, or preparing for unexpected power outages, having a reliable portable power station can make all the difference. But with so many models promising big battery capacity and fast charging, choosing the right one isn't easy. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best portable power stations that deliver dependable backup power, ultra-fast charging, long-lasting battery life, and exceptional value for your money. We'll compare battery capacity, output power, charging speed, portability, available ports, and overall performance to help you find the perfect power station for your lifestyle. Whether you need reliable backup power for your home, outdoor adventures, emergency preparedness, or professional work, these portable power stations are built to keep your essential devices running whenever and wherever you need them. Be sure to watch until the end because our #1 pick offers the best combination of power, portability, and reliability, and it might not be the one you expect. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and buying options. Now, let's power up. Number 1. ECOFLOW DELTA Pro 3. The ECOFLOW DELTA Pro 3 is a premium portable power station designed for home backup, RV adventures, camping, and emergency preparedness. Featuring a massive 4096 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery, 4,000 watt pure sine wave AC output, and expandable capacity up to 48 kilowatt hours, it can power everything from household appliances to power tools with ease. Supporting 120 volts 240 volts output, ultra-fast charging options, in whisper-quiet operation as low as 30 decibels, it delivers dependable performance whether you're dealing with a power outage or living off-grid. Its rugged LFP battery technology, smart app control, and seamless UPS functionality make it one of the most advanced portable power stations available. Pros: massive 4096 watt-hour capacity, expandable up to 48 kilowatt hours. Powerful 4,000 watt AC output, 6,000 watt X-Boost, expandable to 12,000 watts. Supports both 120 volt and 240 volt appliances. Multiple fast charging methods, including AC, solar, EV, and generator. Ultra-quiet operation with X-Quiet technology. 10 millisecond UPS backup for uninterrupted power. Durable LFP battery with 5-year warranty. Cons: very heavy at 115 pounds, premium price compared to smaller power stations, solar panels sold separately. Final verdict: the ECOFLOW DELTA Pro 3 is one of the best high-capacity portable power stations on the market. With exceptional power output, expandable battery capacity, ultra-fast charging, and reliable whole-home backup capabilities, it's an outstanding investment for homeowners, RV owners, campers, and anyone who needs dependable portable power during emergencies. Number 2. Jackery Solar Generator 1000 V2. The Jackery Solar Generator 1000 V2 is a powerful yet lightweight portable power station designed for camping, RV trips, emergency backup, and off-grid living. Equipped with a 1070 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery, 1500 watt pure sine wave AC output, and an included 200 watt solar panel, it provides reliable, clean energy wherever you go. Despite weighing only 23.8 pounds, the Explorer 1000 V2 delivers impressive performance with a 3,000 watt surge capacity, fast 1-hour emergency charging, and over 4,000 battery cycles for a lifespan exceeding 10 years. With multiple charging ports, smart app control, and quiet operation, it's an excellent all-around solar generator for outdoor adventures and home backup. Pros: 1070 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery with 10+ year lifespan. Powerful 1500 watt AC output with 3000 watt surge capacity. Includes high-efficiency 200 watt solar panel. Emergency charging from 0 to 100% in just 1 hour. Lightweight and portable at only 23.8 pounds. Smart app control with multiple charging modes. 5-year manufacturer warranty. Cons: emergency fast charging must be enabled in the app. Generator and solar panel ship separately. Limited to 3 AC outlets. Final verdict? The Jackery Solar Generator 1000 V2 offers an excellent combination of portability, fast charging, dependable power, and long battery life. Whether you're camping, traveling in an RV, preparing for emergencies, or simply living off-grid, it's one of the best mid-capacity solar generators available today. Number 3. Anker SOLIX C1000 Gen 2. The Anker SOLIX C1000 Gen 2 is a compact yet powerful portable power station built for home backup, camping, RV adventures, and emergency preparedness. Featuring a 1024 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery, 2000-watt pure sine wave AC output, and impressive 3000-watt peak power, it delivers reliable energy for everything from household appliances to outdoor equipment. One of its standout features is HyperFlash fast charging, allowing a full recharge in just 49 minutes, while optional 600-watt solar input enables complete off-grid charging in just 1.8 hours. Combined with a lightweight design, ultra-fast UPS backup, and smart app controls, the SOLIX C1000 Gen 2 offers exceptional performance in a highly portable package. Pros: powerful 2000-watt AC output with 3000-watt surge capacity, ultra-fast 49-minute AC recharge, 1024 watt-hour long-lasting lithium iron phosphate battery, supports up to 600-watt solar charging, compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, 10 millisecond UPS backup for sensitive electronics, smart app monitoring and time-of-use energy management, designed for over 4,000 charge cycles, 10-year lifespan. Cons: solar panels sold separately. 1024 watt-hour capacity may be limited for extended whole home backup. HyperFlash mode must be enabled through the Anker app. Final verdict? The Anker SOLIX C1000 Gen 2 delivers an outstanding combination of power, portability, ultra-fast charging, and long battery life. Whether you're preparing for power outages, camping off-grid, traveling in an RV, or simply need dependable backup power, it's one of the best portable power stations in its class.
Number 4. Jackery Explorer 2000 V2. The Jackery Explorer 2000 V2 is a high-performance 2042WH Leaf APO4 portable power station designed for home backup, camping, RV travel, emergency preparedness, and mobile workstations. Delivering 200W continuous AC output through 3 AC outlets, it provides reliable power for everything from refrigerators and CPAP machines to laptops, kitchen appliances, and power tools. Despite its large battery capacity, the Explorer 2000 V2 stands out as one of the smallest and lightest 2 kWh power stations available. Featuring ultra-fast charging, whisper-quiet operation, advanced battery technology, and seamless UPS functionality, it's an excellent solution for users who need dependable portable power in almost any situation. Pros: heavy checkmark large 2042WH Leaf APO4 battery with up to 10-year lifespan. Heavy checkmark powerful 200W continuous output powers most household appliances. Heavy checkmark compact and lightweight for a 2 kWh power station, 39.5 pounds. Heavy checkmark charges from 0 to 80% in just 66 minutes via AC fast charging. Heavy checkmark USB-C PD 100W fast charging for laptops and mobile devices. Heavy checkmark supports solar charging, solar panels sold separately. Heavy checkmark ultra-quiet operation with silent charging mode, under 30 dB. Heavy checkmark 20 milliseconds UPS backup helps protect sensitive electronics during outages. Heavy checkmark backed by a 5-year manufacturer warranty. Cons: solar panels are optional and not included. Maximum output is lower than some competing premium models. Only 3 AC outlets may limit larger setups. Premium pricing compared to entry-level portable power stations. Final verdict: the Jackery Explorer 2000 V2 is one of the best portable power stations for users who value portability, reliability, and fast charging. Its combination of a long-lasting Leaf APO4 battery, compact design, whisper-quiet performance, rapid recharge times, and dependable UPS capability makes it an excellent choice for homeowners, campers, RV travelers, photographers, and emergency preparedness. If you want a premium 2 kWh portable power station that's easy to transport without sacrificing performance, the Explorer 2000 V2 is a fantastic investment. Number 5. ECOFLOW Delta 3 Max Portable Power Station. The ECOFLOW Delta 3 Max is a premium 2048Wh portable power station built for home backup, RV travel, camping, and emergency preparedness. Equipped with a long-lasting LiFePO4 battery, ultra-fast X-Stream charging, and an impressive 3400W X-Boost output, it can power almost every essential household appliance while remaining compact enough for portable use. One of its biggest highlights is its ability to recharge from 0% to 80% in just 1.13 hours, making it one of the fastest charging power stations in its class. Combined with app-based energy management, near-instant UPS functionality, and expandable solar charging options, the Delta 3 Max is an excellent solution for both everyday use and unexpected power outages. Pros: heavy checkmark large 2048Wh LiFePO4 battery with long lifespan. Heavy checkmark powerful 3400W X-Boost output handles most household appliances. Heavy checkmark ultra-fast 0 to 80% recharge in just 1.13 hours. Heavy checkmark less than 10 milliseconds UPS transfer time protects sensitive electronics. Heavy checkmark quiet operations suitable for indoor use. Heavy checkmark solar charging compatible, solar panels sold separately. Heavy checkmark smart ECOFLOW app for monitoring and energy management. Heavy checkmark durable construction backed by a 5-year warranty. Heavy checkmark excellent for home backup, RVs, camping, and emergency preparedness. Cons: solar panels are optional and not included. Premium price compared to entry-level power stations. Heavier than smaller capacity portable battery packs. Limited smart home integration. Final verdict: the ECOFLOW Delta 3 Max is one of the best premium portable power stations for users who need reliable backup power without sacrificing charging speed or performance. Its large battery capacity, powerful 3400W output, lightning-fast charging, quiet operation, and durable LiFePO4 battery make it an outstanding investment for homeowners, campers, RV travelers, and anyone preparing for emergencies. If you're looking for a high-performance portable power solution that can confidently handle both everyday and backup power needs, the Delta 3 Max is an excellent choice.